reality, we have been impacted by climate change. In the summer of 2007, the soybean crop was affected by a very serious fungal disease called soybean rust. And what had happened that year was that it survived the winter. Generally, in the past, the soybean rust hadn't survived the winters, and it never made it up into Iowa. But because of the milder winters, that soybean rust actually impacted or arrived in Iowa and could have been devastating some of the crops in Iowa. But they caught it and were able to treat it. But in order to treat that fungal disease, they had to apply fungicides. And these fungicides are not regulated by the Safe Drinking Water Act and the Clean Water Act. And so there are methods out there, but we had to develop a method for the determination of these compounds in case it did impact our surface waters or our lakes or even our groundwater perhaps. We were able to do so, to come up with a method for the determination of these compounds in surface waters. And later in the summer of 2008, there was a tornado that hit a community in Iowa called Parkersburg, and they were storing some of these fungicide compounds in that community, and they spilled into a local stream, and we were able to monitor that stream for those fungicide compounds. And last summer, there were several fish kills throughout the state, and they think that may have been due to the fungicides that were applied last year. And we're still trying to determine if those fish kills were due to those fungicides, but if we hadn't had the methods developed to determine those compounds, we wouldn't have been able to perform those determinations for the state. So climate change has impacted the state of Iowa, and we've had to come up with methods for determination of some of these new pesticides that are being applied, in this case fungicides, to deal with a very real issue, that's soybean rust.